everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix error code 773 on Roblox. So if you want to fix error code 773 on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.roblox.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official homepage of Roblox. In order to fix the error code, what you have to do is click on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see several options over here. At first you can see option for settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the settings page. If you look at here, you can see several options over here. At third you can see option for privacy. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here privacy settings will be opened. Under account restrictions, you can see a button for account restrictions. You can see over here it is enabled. When this setting is enabled, this account can only access content that is appropriate for all audiences. Additionally, communication settings will be set to off. And this can also lead to the error code 773. So all you have to do is disable this button. Simply toggle this button. Now account restrictions are disabled. Now scroll down. If you're logged into your account in another devices, you can see option for log out of all devices right over here. Make sure to log out of all the devices so only this device can have access to your account. So that's it for this video. That is how you fix error code 773 on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.